I'm Emmanuel onifade. It's called the Emmanuel farm. Okay, there is a lot to do as regards the farming. We rear birds, like agric birds that lays, then local birds that lays. After laying, they hatch their egg by themselves. Then when they hatch the egg, we pack the little ones. We put them into the drum for a week. After a week, we have a smaller cage that we equally put them also to grow up. They will spend like 2.5 weeks in that smaller cage. Then another bigger cage is available also. We put them there. When they are 2 months old, then we put them in the normal cage. That's how we do in this farm. Then guinea fowl egg, we do put them under the local fowl. We remove their own egg out of it. If it is 15 eggs, like the local fowl leg, we remove the whole entire 15 egg. Then we put the guinea fowl egg under them. When they hatch them, we pack them and put them inside that drum and show you the other time.
Okay.
Then when they spend 1.5 weeks there, we have a smaller cage there that we normally put them. We will rear them for like 2 to 3 weeks before putting them in a bigger cage of the same type of the former one. Then when they spend like 2 months in that cage, they will put them in the normal cage. Actually, I didn't learn it for anywhere. I just experiment it. And when I experiment it, it works. I do the same thing for my turkey. When they lay, I pack their young ones, put them inside the drum, like the local fowl also. So I don't learn it anywhere. The same thing my duck. When they lay, they hatch, then I pack them and put them inside drum. After some weeks, I put them into a cage. Then later, when it is a month, then I put them in the drum. They give them the normal food, agric food.
Okay.
But what I normally do is that this agric food we buy, many of them are not nourished enough. So I buy some maize, then I grind them and mix it with the agric food so that they can grow on time, and that will give them strength. Because maize is the major food for anything farm.
Okay.
Yeah. Major reason is for safety.
Okay.
Because if they are following their mother about, this big bird can come down and pick them.
Okay.
And at times snake can disturb them, or any other insect can disturb them. But when they are apart from their mother instantly, they'll be saved and grow well. And they'll be given special food inside the drum. So that's the major reason. And I've been seeing good results after the experiment I'm doing. So when they are following their mother, at a point, the mother will take their feather to cover them, to give them heat. That lantern stands as a heat, which they could not get from their mother because they are not with their mother. So that's why the lantern is there. We put lantern, we put water, we put food inside the same drum. So they do it. You see, mortality is rare for the sense that where we put them, they are very safe and they are under good care. Nothing can affect them inside that drum. The major thing they want is heat at the younger stage like that. If they can acquire that heat and you are giving them nourishing food with water and drugs, we have so many drugs that we use for them to build them up. Initially, when we find them like that, the first 2 days, we give them glucose. That glucose will give them strength. Then after that, I buy booster, mix it up with their food. So if I mix their food with booster, it will make them grow on time. So it's very important. Then so also this Lasota and Gomboro, you need to use it for them also. That's all those will give them strength, and the mortality rate is very low. I don't even have mortality rate at all.
You don't have mortality at all.
At all. When they are up to 5 months,
Okay.
at times I call my customers to come and purchase them. But among them, the female one among them, the local fowl, I leave them to lay. So when they lay, those are the sample of the eggs.
Okay.
When they lay like that, we still sell them out, just like agric fowl.
So you mean you sell the eggs, those local fowl, you sell it too?
Yes.
So what is the rate?
So people doing this donuts.
Okay.
People selling food at the primary school.
Okay.
They cooking their food.
So what is the rate at which you sell this now?
Because the egg is very small.
Okay.
We sell at the crate is 900, 1,000.
Okay.
Different. The yolk is yellowish than the agric egg.
Okay.
And it's very nourishing.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, it's very nourishing than the agric one too. Okay.
It's through some experiments. Initially, when I started turkey, when they lay and hatch their egg, I leave the turkey with them. But I see that the rate of mortality is very high. Turkey are not okay in taking care of children. So when I saw that, I have to pack them out of them and do the same thing with the local power and do. So there will be no problem. Although in those turkey, I have some mortality, but it's not too high. So they are okay also. If you can look and you see some of them will still be hatching. And I just sell them. I sell local, I sell young ones, I sell big ones out of to people. The case of goat is different.
Okay.
What I normally do, when I started, I buy 2 female and 1 male.
Okay.
So when they get pregnant, I remove the male out of them. Okay. Because in the stage of pregnancy, if the male is there, he'll be disturbing them, wanting them, doing this, doing and that. And in that case, they can get premature child. Okay. So by that, when they get pregnant, I see that they are pregnant, like 3 months, I remove the he-goat out of it. Then when they delivered, by 5 days, I'll give them injection. I'll give them early.
You mean the one that they born? Okay.
If I give them injection, like poultry, to the young ones at age 5 days, they'll be okay. That poultry I gave them, they can use it in their life. And you make sure that you are giving them nourishing food. So with that, there's no problem. I don't learn it anywhere. I just brainstorm and started experimenting. Even some of my friends that has big poultry, they do come here. They call me scientific poultry farmer or scientific farmer. Because I sit down and meditate, I brainstorm and see what I can do on it. Like the guinea fowl, I got the egg from my customer at the market. I put it under local fowl. 10 eggs, we hatch 7. Out of that 7, I give 2 to the woman that gave me when they are mature. Then I slaughter 3 for the family to eat. The remaining 2, I leave them. Then after some time, I saw that one is laying. So I don't know which of the 2 that is laying. So I have to separate them in the cage. Later I discovered the one laying. Those are the eggs that lay.
So you can see the guinea fowl egg is smaller to the local fowl now.
If you look at the shell is different.
The shell is different.
Of fowl,
okay.
The shell is smooth.
Okay.
But that of
the guinea fowl
is somehow rough.
Okay.
You see, the problem the youth has is that they are not patient. Because anybody that want to do this thing I'm telling you, you need to have patience. If you want to do an experiment, you should have patience to see the outcome of experiment. But youth nowadays, they don't want to have patience in anything they do. They want quick result, and quick result cannot give you anything. If you look at life generally, when you are born, it's not the day you are born that you started working. It's gradually. Then plant also, if you take a seed very or bury it on the ground, it will come out like a seedling. That seedling you can transplant it. It will take you some time before you started getting fruit out of that plant. So what I will advise them is that they should have patience in anything you are doing. Patience can only give them result. Hard work and patience will surely give them a good result. So I have so many boys that comes here to get some experience from me. Even my friends at agric, they do come here. They bring paper to write things down, how I do my things. So many of them are getting good results now.
So now,
school leavers, they come here to learn. So when they learn, I give them some fowls or duck to go and rear. They are getting results. They have been selling it. We advise the government that they should assist the youth, not the youth alone, Nigerians generally, because in Nigeria we have a lot of land that people are not using. If they can, advise people, give them money, give them land, and monitor them. If you go to overseas, government is monitoring farms. When they give them land, they give them seed to plant, and they be monitoring it. Although they have, they take some interest out of them. So if Nigeria can be doing that, we will get good results. The only advice I will have for the retirees is that they should not wait till the time they retire before they lay their hands on something. Like this thing I'm doing now, I've been doing it more than 40 years. I've been doing it more than 40 years when I was at work. They should not stay that the time they were retired before they commence doing this thing. I started with 15 birds, just for the family to be eating egg. But when you get to a stage that the 15 eggs are laying, all of them are laying every day. When the bird 15 eggs lay, 15 fowl lay for 2 days, that is a crate. Then we started selling them. That is how. So retirees, because they retire, they must make sure they start on something, not on agric alone. Something, they should start on something. I have a plantation is bringing out good results because you put a stick of plantain on the ground now. After 6 months, it will bear fruit. After 8 months, the shoot, the young ones will be coming out. And that young ones that is coming out can bear fruit like 3 at a time. So I'm a part of the plantain now from 2000 upward. So you can get like 6, 15 from your farm. It's money in a day. So it's very good that before you retire, find something good.
Thank you very much, sir.